Have a good day. Good day, LA Beast here, and I just wanted to do a quick update. My office used to be in that old room, and now I was like talking about all the contractors doing a great job, working hard. I think it was like 26 total days they created my new office. Shout out to my niece. It says, please subscribe to the LA Beast. And also up top, I don't know if you can see it, but it says The Office. And when you actually come in, I put my King of the Hill, Randy Johnson photo. And here we go. This is the new office space. I've met with some trinkets. An LA Beast fan sent me that Andre the Giant, Mr. Rogers autograph. We have, this is where I filmed my Power Rangers video. I have my sweet TV on the ground is too big. That's actually a second Ghostbuster house holding up the TV box, and then that's what it looks like from this angle. Just put all my Nintendo video games and stuff. Power Glove on display, an old school Game Boy. I've yet to figure out where I'm going to place the Irish flag. Brought out the million subscriber play buttons. Some old cereal boxes. Some 92 Marvel Masterpieces. I'm out of breath, it's really hot up here. And yeah, all the old school collectibles are now wrapped up. Got some super soakers over there. Everything's just kind of wrapped up, put in storage. And yeah, I'm gonna take a quick seat. I appreciate that past 14 years I've been doing a lot of creating. And one of our biggest creations yet is my man, sweet little baby James. And if I still getting used to this, this is day 4, but hey bud, little mini beast, little baby James. So awesome. I'm not the mama. How you doing? He just downloaded a whole bunch of milk into his stomach, and I think he's gonna go for a nap. But nonetheless, I'm the LA Beast. Stay tuned, and of course, have a good day. Oh wait, I forgot to say that this is my Crystal Pepsi and drink corner. We have a corner over there. Some old school drinks. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, for the sake of the child, because it's really hot up here, now it's the LA Beast. Have a good day, baby James.